In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add new languages to your Shopify store. Making your store multilingual not only enhances user experience, but can also break down language barriers and potentially increase your international sales. So, let's get started. To add languages to your Shopify store, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel first. In the admin panel, look for the Settings option and then select Languages. In the Languages area, you're going to see the Add Language button. Feel free to click on this button. When you click on Add Language, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you can select the specific language that you'd like to add to your Shopify store. There's a vast range of choices, so pick the one that is more significant for your target audience. Now, if you use international domains, you can select the specific markets to add the language to. If you don't use international domains, nothing to worry about. Just click on Add. The next step is to translate your store's content into the new language you've just added. Shopify makes this simple by automatically adding the Translate and Adapt app as soon as you add a new language to your store. You can access this useful app by going to Apps and then selecting Translate and Adapt. It gives you the option to either automatically translate your content or manually edit existing translations to better suit your audience. Furthermore, if you desire advanced translation features, Shopify's App Store has a host of translation apps. An example is Weglot, a well-regarded translation app with tons of features to help you communicate effectively with your customers no matter what language they speak. Follow the instructions provided by the chosen app to translate important store text, such as product names, descriptions, and even your checkout pages. Once everything is translated and you're satisfied with the way everything looks and sounds, it's time to publish the language in your store. Go back to the Languages section under the Settings in your Shopify admin. In this section, there is an Unpublished Languages area. Here, you'll notice 3 little dots next to the language you're about to make live. Click on those 3 dots and then further click on Publish. Finally, click the Save button. This ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste, and your store now provides the language option to your visitors. This step-by-step guide should serve as a powerful tool to make your Shopify store multilingual, effectively catering to a broader audience and potentially boosting your sales. Thank you for following along, and remember, each additional language can open a new door of opportunities for your business.